Okay, we are still on isotonic solutions. We have another problem here. It says zinc sulfate 0.25% eye drops are required to be made isotonic with sodium chloride. What weight of sodium chloride is required in the preparation of 100 ml of eye drop solution? A 0.25% solution of zinc sulfate depresses the freezing point of water by 0.022 degrees Celsius. Remember, the watchword when you are dealing with isotonic solution is that you are trying to make the solution to be able to depress the freezing point of water by 0.52 degrees Celsius. That is the solution. Your target is to make the solution to be able to depress the freezing point of water to minus 0.52 degrees Celsius. Now, look at this thing now. We have that zinc sulfate in eye drops, used for eye as eye drop. Zinc sulfate on its own, 0.25% zinc sulfate on its own can only depress the freezing point of water by 0.022 degrees Celsius. That is able to bring the freezing point of water to minus 0.022 degrees Celsius, because the normal freezing point of water is what? 0 degrees Celsius. Now, what do we do to this solution for it to be able to depress the freezing point of water by 0.52 degrees Celsius or to minus 0.52 degrees Celsius? For us to achieve that, we should add sodium chloride. And this sodium chloride will now help to depress this freezing point further to minus 0.52 degrees Celsius. And for us to achieve that, the first thing we should also recall is that for that 0.52 degrees Celsius depression to be achieved, we try to get the difference between that 0.52 and this 0.0022. The difference between 0.52 and 0.0022 will give us the further depression needed for this solution to be able to do what? To be able to do what we use as isotonic solution. And the only thing that can cause that further depression is sodium chloride you need to add. But with that, knowing the difference between 0.52 degrees Celsius and 0.022 degrees Celsius will help us to set a proportion that will help us to actually determine the strength of sodium chloride solution and the weights of sodium chloride itself that can cause the further depression. Let's go over to the board. Now, we know from the question that 0.25% weight per watt volume zinc sulfate depresses the freezing point of water by what? 0.022 degrees Celsius. But the normal depression is for it to be isotonic is by what? 0.52 degrees Celsius. So let's find the difference between this and this. This minus, let's bring this in for now. This minus 0.022. So add 0 here. 2, take 1 here, put here, because what? 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 is many here. Carry 1 here, put here, because what? 11. 11 minus 2 is what? 9. What is remaining here? 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0.0498 degrees Celsius. This is the further depression needed to make this solution isotonic. And it is this sodium chloride that can cause this further depression. And what is the weight of the sodium chloride that can cause this depression? So let's use it to set a proportion. There is another relationship that says that 1% weight per volume sodium chloride solution depresses the freezing point of water by 0.57 degrees Celsius. Actually, this was calculated from the fact that normal saline 0.90% weight per volume depresses the freezing point of water by 0.52 degrees Celsius. So after due calculation, you now got what if this can give this, this will give this. So let's go straight and use the 1%. So what will now happen here is that if 1% weight per watt volume sodium chloride depresses by 0.576 degrees Celsius, what strength of this sodium chloride solution can depress by 0.498 degrees Celsius? So X is now equal to what? To cross multiply 1% weight per watt volume times what? 0.598 degrees Celsius over what? 0.576 degrees Celsius. This will cancel this. This is 1. So let's focus here on these two numbers. Remember, these things are in decimal fraction. So let's convert them to fraction, to common fraction, and from there to whole numbers. So common fraction here, you have something like this, that this is equal to what? Let's keep this by the side. 0.498 over what? 1000 divided by what? Divided by what? 576 over what? 1000. Let's bring this in times what? 1% weight per watt volume. Let's do a bit cleanup. Let me get my duster. All right, so let's go. Let's go there. Isotonic solution. I think this is enough. Okay, let's go. So let's bring this up. We have that X is equal to what? 498 over what? 1000 times this will be inverted. 1000 over what? 576 times what? 1% weight per watt volume. So this 1000 will cancel 1000. So we are working with 498 divided by 576. X is what? So now let's go. 498 divided by 576. 576, 498 is less than 576. So 0 will come in. 0. We'll add 0 here. Sorry, we'll add 0 here. Become 4980. 5760 divided 4980. How many 576 can we find in 4980? We can only find 8 whole number there. 8 whole number. 8. 8. Remaining. So 576 times 8 is what? 576 times 8 is what? 8 times 6 is what? 8 times 6. 4 times 6, 24 times 2, 48. Carry 4, put here. 8 times 7. 4 times 7, 28 times 2, 56 plus 4, 60. Put 0, carry 6, put here. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 40 what? 6. So 46. So let's go. We have 4,680. So what is remaining now? This, subtract this from 4980. So carry one, put here. 10 minus 8 is what? 2. What is remaining here? 7. 7 minus 0 is what? 7. What is remaining here? 9. 9 minus 6 is what? 3. 372. So let's go. We'll add 0 again here. We have 3720 divided by 576. How many 576 can we find in 3720? We'll roughly find something like 6. I think 6 whole numbers set. So if you put 6, multiply this by 6. 6 times 0 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry 2, put here. Carry 1, put here. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 1 is what? 43. Let's go back again. 6 times 0 is... Sorry, this is 0. 6 times 0 is what? 0. 6 times 2 is 12. 2, carry 1, put here. 6 times 7 is 40. 42 plus 1, 43. Carry 4, put here. 6 times 3 is what? 6 times 3 is what? 6 times 3 is what? What am I doing? Sorry. Let me go back. We should be 576. We got 3720. We got 3720. So it's 6 times 576. So 6 times 576. 6 times 576 times 6. 6 times 6 is what? 36. You put 6. Carry 3. Put here. 6 times 7 is what? Is what? 3. 42. 42 plus 3 is what? 45. Carry 4. Put here. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is what? 34. So we have what? 356. 356. So this is 356 because 6 times 6 is 36. 6 3 42 5 4 34. So this is 356. Now, so we have 6 whole numbers. So how many is remaining? We subtract 356. We subtract 356 from what? From what? 3720. What is remaining? Carry 1, put here. Becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. What is remaining here? 1. Carry 1, put again. Put it. Becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. What is remaining here? 6. 6 minus 4 is what? 246. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have 246. So we have 6. Remember what? 246. So let's go again. We add another 0. How many 576 can we find in 2640? Now let's go. We can only have 4 whole numbers there. 4. Because 5 times 4 is 2000. 76 times 4 should be around 300 and something. So we have 4. So let's go. Let's multiply 576 by 4 times 4. 576, 6 times 4, 24. 2 will be here. 4 times 7, 28 plus 2, 30. We have 3 here. 4 times 5, 20 plus 2, plus 3, 23. So we have 2,304. Let's subtract this from this. This will give us, carry and put here. This will give us 6. What is remaining here? 3. Carry on, put here. What's remaining here? 3. 3 minus 0 is what? 3. What's remaining here? 6. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So we have 336. 336. So we have, if 5676 divide 264, we have 4. Remember 236. So we add another 0 here. If we add another 0 here, how many times can 576 divide? How many 576 are found in 3,360? This alone will give us 6. Or we can stop at this level. Since we have gotten 3 decimal places. So let's stop at 0.864. So this gives us 0.864% weight per what? Volume. So the 0.864% weight per volume is the strength in percentage strength of sodium chloride solution that can cause this further depression. What it means is that this is what is needed to be added in this solution to cause depression up to 0.52 degrees what? Celsius. Now, but what you ask is the weight. This is just the percentage strength. The weight. So what is the weight of zinc in this? Remember, its entire solution is 100 ml solution. Let's determine the amount, the weight of the zinc here. Remember, 0.864% weight is the same as saying what? 0.866 gram of zinc. Of what? Zinc what? Sulfate. Let me clean this away, please, so you can understand what I'm writing here. Okay. Let me clear it. Let me clear this place well so we understand what I'm writing. Because it's more good up. Okay, let's go. Okay. This thing, this 0.86%, this 0.864% weight per volume is certain as saying 0.864 gram of zinc what? Sulfate in what? 100 what? Ml solution. So the weight of zinc required to cause this solution to be isotonic is what? 0.864 gram.
Admission. 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 Dear ladies and gentlemen, I bring good news. Admission into the diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician EENU Mission Hospital is on. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is an accredited tertiary institution that offers students a diploma degree to work in hospitals and pharmaceutical companies in order to promote safe and effective use of medicines at grassroots level. Graduates of Pharmacy Technician School EENU who wish to study pharmacy in the university can obtain direct entry into any university of their choice. The school has a well-equipped laboratory, comfortable hostel, and a healthy refectory. The requirements for admission are credit in English, mathematics, biology, chemistry and physics. In GCE, WAEC, NECO, NABTEB are not more than 2 sittings. The School of Pharmacy Technician (PhD) is located at EENU Mission Hospital, Agidi, Anambra State. For more information, call 0803 708 1512, 0813 868 2003, 0803 267 5322. Diocese on the Niger School of Pharmacy Technician. A tradition of excellence.